Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, number one,
Okay.
when did you come to Australia?
So I came in March 2022 with my boyfriend, and
Okay.
we're from Ireland.
Good. Number two, why did you choose to work at dairy farm?
I came because we need to do our regional work to get our second year visa, so
Yeah.
that's why we're here.
Yeah.
Same as Natsuko.
Yeah, same. Thank you. So, number three, how did you find this job?
My sister was working on another Aurora Dairies farm, so she
Okay.
got us the job, but I don't know how she got it.
Okay. All right.
Very easy way of getting the job.
Okay. Number four, how's dairy farm life?
It is hard. It's okay. I grew up on a farm in Ireland, so
Oh,
it's
okay.
kind of similar, but not this many cows. It's a lot,
Yeah.
and I prefer being in the city.
Same.
88 days is enough.
Yeah, I know. So, I have two more questions. Okay. Next is, what is the advantage and the disadvantage of dairy farm?
I suppose the advantage is good experience to be able to know how to
Yeah.
deal with animals and
Yeah.
handle animals, and it makes you appreciate an easy job.
Yeah, that's true.
Like working in an office or working in a shop is really easy compared to
Uh,
this.
yep.
It's hard work.
Yep.
And the disadvantage is the shit. Shit everywhere.
Yeah. So stink.
Yeah, the smell and the shit.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's not that bad.
Yeah. And you have to wake up early?
Yeah, 3:30 we start milking, so I set my alarm for 2 a.m. and then we milk till about 10, 11 a.m. and then back in at 2 p.m. to 6 or 7. So
Yeah.
long days.
Yeah.
But it's okay. You get used to it. When I first started, I said I can't do this.
Yeah,
And the
me
same
too.
with Natsuko.
Me
On
too.
her first day, the
Yeah.
shit is
Yeah. I really wanted to quit.
no.
This happens every day. Okay, the last question. Would you recommend this job to people getting a second visa?
Yeah, I would. If you don't mind hard work, do it. But if you don't like hard work,
Yeah,
it's not for you.
yeah. It's good experience.
Very good experience, yeah. Like if you want to work with animals, it's really good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, and you get to feed little calves as well, so that's nice.
Yep, yep.
when they're not shitting on me.
Thank you, son.
Okay, bye.
How we do farming.
We're doing capsule.